Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm at the Carlsbad Street Fair and I actually ended up at the bird sanctuary, so I really want to share this with you guys. So first thing we have on this side is these amazing front yard decorations, and as you can tell we have a nice fountain right here, and then I'll show you the other side also.
So when did you start thinking about like 350? Specified budget here for fair.
Oh my god, look at you. Can I pet it?
What does it say?
It's about 100 words. After you take a picture, they do talk to you.
That's so cute.
Oh nice. Oh, there it goes.
I like
Yes! Yes!
He's hungry.
She's primarily got a diet of pistachios. High five! And, oh no problem, thank you.
I used to have the
Following you
cause.
guys on
I used to have the cause who gave them Harris and Fellas. They did really good.
Yeah, I just started giving them pellets. I guess it has been a couple years.
Pellets with fresh fruit.
Does it end at 40? Does it end at 4?